Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm super excited to share a brand new video because I'm going to show you a new strategy to make money online with Pinterest affiliate marketing without ever showing your face or creating any type of video. Now this may sound too good to be true, but I'm going to show you that it's possible and show you proof that people are in fact making money with the strategy. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Damon Black and I am a full-time affiliate marketer and content creator, and my job is to find the latest money-making strategies so I can share them with you guys watching this video, so I can help you make more money and bring you one step closer to quitting your daily 9-to-5 job. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any future videos, and also smash the like button below to support this channel. It means a lot to me. So in a nutshell, we are going to be utilizing Pinterest theme pages. So the name speaks by itself. A theme page is basically a niche or a specific category in which we are going to upload content to attract viewers to our website. And on that website, we're going to be promoting some type of affiliate product. For each sale, we're going to receive a commission. So this is what the strategy is. Now, don't worry, you don't have to show your face or create any content yourself. I'm going to show you how to find viral videos that you can re-upload and reuse on your Pinterest account to attract as many viewers and buyers as possible. So let's jump right in. So the first step is to head over to ClickBank.com. Now this is an affiliate marketplace that allows you to promote other people's products. ClickBank has many niches with hundreds of products. I'm going to log in for you guys and let's pick that perfect product. So this is the ClickBank marketplace, and up here you can see all the different niches. And if you click on one of these, for example, e-business and marketing, here you have a list of all the products that you can directly start promoting. For example, this one right here that pays out $20 per conversion. It teaches people how to make money with Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, right? So they are going to start this quiz, answer a couple of questions, and some type of offer will pop up, right? Some type of offer that you're gonna get paid $20 per conversion for. So this is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now, to get as many people to this website as possible, we need to create free content on Pinterest. Now, don't worry, once again, you're not gonna show your face or create anything yourself. We are gonna grab already working videos, viral videos from other platforms, and we're gonna re-upload them to our Pinterest account. For that, we obviously need a Pinterest account. So the next step is to head over to Pinterest. So this is my personal Pinterest account. Now, I'm not very active on this account, so I'm gonna use it to show you guys how to set up your Pinterest theme page. Okay, so as you can see here, you can click on edit, and here you can add your photo, your name, your about, this is your bio, and here you can add your website. And you need to add a simple bio call to action to direct people to your website, okay? So let me do that right now. So for example, let's say we're gonna be in the make money online niche. We're gonna show people how to make money online. We're gonna help people how to make money online. And then we're gonna add a call to action to check out our website. And in that website, we're gonna add our affiliate link, right? So we're gonna click on promote, okay? We're gonna click on create hop link. And this is our secret URL. Whenever somebody comes to this website right here through our link, we're gonna make a commission if they purchase, okay? So let's set this up. So the first thing that you're gonna need is your logo. So you can head over to Google and search for something like side hustle. I can grab this logo right here, and this is gonna be our logo. I'm gonna save it to my desktop and upload it to my Pinterest account, okay? So now once we have the logo, we need to think of a name, all right? Think of a name in your niche, in your theme, all right? So we can do something like side hustle secrets, something like this, right? Something similar. You can click on save to see if it's available, and it's available, so we can continue. So about, here I'm gonna simply add the about section from this page. So from the sales page. So online social job that pays 25 to 50 bucks per hour, no experience, right? Work from home. I'm gonna add this to my bio, all right? Simple as that. Now you can scroll down and you can add your website. So we need some type of bit.ly or tiny URL shortener to shorten our affiliate link, because Pinterest does not like affiliate links. But you can copy this, all right? You can go to bit.ly.com Now you can click on create, click on link, you can add your link, okay, and click on create. And now you can copy this link that you just created, okay, copy and paste it inside your Pinterest account. Just right there. Now you can click on save. So now when you click on your profile, you can see side hustle secrets, online social media jobs that pay $20 to $50 per hour, no experience required, work from home, and this is your bit.ly link. And now our next step is to upload content to attract viewers to our Pinterest account so they can read our bio, click on this link and purchase, take the quiz and potentially purchase the product. So what we need here is views. We need thousands and thousands of views. Now, don't worry, this is not that difficult to get. Let me show you an example of an account already successful in this niche. So take a look at this account right here, Billionaire Lifestyle. So if you want to learn how I made $10,000 in just 9 days, check out this link, right? You can check out this link and here you can see 1.4 million monthly views. And if you scroll down, you can see that these videos aren't even his. He's just re-uploading these videos from other social media networks like TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or Facebook Reels. He is gathering all of these viral videos from all of these different social media networks and he is re-uploading them to his Pinterest theme page. So this is absolutely mind-blowing that he's getting over 1 million views per month and he's directing all of these views to his website, and here's promoting some type of exactly ClickBank product just as I showed you right now. So paidonlinewritingjobs.com. So guys, this is the exact same product that he is promoting that I just showed you guys. And no, I didn't know that this account is promoting this product. So this is just to show you that people are making a lot of money with this strategy. And this account right here is probably making well over $200 to $300 every single day with this account alone based on how many views he's getting. Right, so this is from my personal experience. So let me show you guys how you can find these viral videos just like this guy is doing right here so you can download them and reuse them for your theme page. So what you want to do now is head over to TikTok.com. Now TikTok is packed with thousands of videos from hundreds of different content creators because it's super hot right now. So what you can do is head over to TikTok and search for something like side hustles. Right now, when you click on side hustles, here you can see all of these different videos in the side hustle niche. So you can take a look at and click on this account right here. And now you can simply start downloading all of these different viral videos. And a quick tip, make sure to download a free extension called Sort for TikTok. And when you click on this and click on start, this tool is going to sort all of these videos on this creator's account from highest views to lowest views. So here you can see the top performing videos on this account, okay? And you can directly start downloading these. Don't worry, you won't get in trouble. Everyone's doing this. So this is completely safe. Now to download this video, all you have to do is just click on it. All right, this video has 3.5 million views. This is absolutely mind-blowing. You can click on copy link and now you can open a new tab and you can search for something like SnapTik, okay? This is a TikTok video downloader without the watermark. You can click on it, you can paste the video directly inside here, click on download, and this tool is gonna download the video without the TikTok watermark. I'm gonna click on download, and this is some type of ad. There it is, I'm gonna drag it over to my desktop just like that. And now let's head back over to Pinterest and upload this video. So head back over to your Pinterest account. Now you wanna click on create, click on create pin. All right, I'm gonna drag this video inside there, just like that. Very, very simple to do, guys. I'm gonna wait for this to upload. Once it's uploaded, we need to add the title, description, the link, the board, and the tagged topics. So for the title, we can add something similar to the video title. So easy side hustle that makes $125 per day passively. For the description, we can add visit the link in my profile for my favorite side hustle. So just like that. Now for the details, we can do none. For the link, this is our affiliate link. So we can add the exact same bit.ly link we have copied earlier. For the board, you can create a board, something like Make Money Online, and you can add all of these, videos inside one board. You can do this, you can just leave this blank. But I like to add all of my videos inside a board. So when somebody comes to my Pinterest account and when they click on my board, they can watch all of these different types of videos that I uploaded. So I'm gonna click on Make Money Online. And now the tags, these are basically the search terms, how users find your video. So we can do something like side hustles, all right? We can do starting a business. We can do money. We can do business ideas, so on and so forth, guys. You get the idea. Now, one more tip. Pinterest does not like ClickBank links and bit.ly links. So this is what I would recommend. Now, if you take a look at his profile, right, he uses some type of landing page, right? Something simple like this, right? So start your online business, quit your 9-to-5 job, enter your email address. Now, let me show you guys what I do, all right? So this is my TikTok account, and as you can see, I am active on this account. I also do this. As you can see, this video was uploaded 3 days ago. And if you take a look at my landing page, right, this is a simple milkshake landing page made inside a mobile application, right? So this is my name. Click the links below to learn how I quit my 9-to-5 job. So I'm a full-time digital marketer, husband and father. And this link right here is promoting an affiliate offer, and this is promoting my YouTube channel, right? So you can create this simple landing page inside the Milkshake app. It's called Milkshake. You can type it in your, your app store, download it for free, and make a simple landing page like this. And then, right? And then you can copy this link, right? Just like this, and publish it to your Pinterest bio and also your videos. This is going to be 100% safe and your account will not get banned. So now you can click on publish, just like this, and upload your pin. So now when I scroll down, you can see, guys, this is the video, and shortly this video will start getting views, impressions, clicks, and most importantly, sales, right? So sales is what we are looking for. Now, the secret to success on Pinterest is simple. Just like anything else, consistency is key. So if you upload 1 to 3 videos every single day on Pinterest for the next 90 days, I can guarantee you guys that one of your videos or multiple videos will go viral and you will get a bunch of affiliate sales. It's not hard to make $100, $200 per day with this strategy alone. I mean, consistency is key, and Pinterest has a brand new feature called Pinterest Schedule, and you can schedule all of your pins for the next couple of days, right? So you can download, let's just say 30 videos in one day. You can set up the title, descriptions, you can add the links, and you can schedule these videos for the next 30 days, right? So in just one day, you can download 30 videos and schedule them for the next 30 days. This is gonna be 100% automatic pilot. You don't have to do anything else, all right? So this is my biggest tip. In one day, schedule all the videos for the next month, okay? So just put in the work, sit down for 6 hours, download those videos, find those videos, add your title, description, and schedule the videos. That's all you have to do. And guys, I can guarantee that you will start getting thousands of views on your videos and clicks to your website and sales, all right? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you enjoyed. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then I have an in-depth affiliate marketing training program with coaching, and you can find that below this video, or you can click on that link and check out the program. It has over 95 video lessons, and it covers everything from A to Z, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make money with affiliate marketing. I have several marketing strategies, niche research, how to find the perfect affiliate product, how to build a sales funnel, how to build an email sequence. Everything you need to know about affiliate marketing is inside that program. and the price is super affordable. Okay, you're not going to find anything like this on the market. So make sure to click the first link below this video to check that out. Many of my students are already making thousands of dollars in commissions every single month by utilizing my strategies. So they are proven to work. Make sure to check that out in the link below this video. And with all of this being said, I'm going to see you guys in the next video.